In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shein account. Whether you're looking to simplify your online presence or just want to take a break from online shopping, we're going to go through the process step by step to make it as easy as possible for you. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Shein's official website. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do that using your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, look for the profile icon at the top right corner. It usually appears as a little person symbol or simply says My Profile. Click on it and you'll be taken to your personal dashboard where all your account details are stored. Now that you're on your profile page, scroll through the available options to find a section labeled Account Security. This setting is crucial because it helps you manage privacy-related aspects of your account, ensuring that your details are secure and giving you control over your account management preferences. Click on Account Security to proceed. Inside the Account Security section, you'll want to locate the option that says Delete Account. It might be tucked away amid other settings, so make sure you take a moment to carefully scan through the available options. This is the point of no return, so be sure that you're certain about wanting to permanently close your account. When you click on Delete Account, the system will guide you through a series of prompts designed to confirm this significant action. Shein takes privacy and security very seriously, which is why they require this additional layer of confirmation before they delete an account. Follow each prompt carefully. You may have to re-enter your password or answer a security question, as these measures are in place to ensure that it's really you, the account owner, initiating this closure. And that's about it. Once you've completed those final steps, your Shein account will be marked for deletion. The process may take a few days, so if you log in again out of curiosity, you might still find it active briefly. However, rest assured that Shein will completely close your account soon after you've confirmed its deletion. If at any point you change your mind, remember that reestablishing your account will require creating a new one. So please make sure this is the right decision for you. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel confident navigating through Shein's settings to delete your account. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Until next time, take care.